I'ma take my shot, but get ready. Don't wanna stop, but get ready. I'ma do my thing, you get ready. Everybody watch, you get ready. I'ma take my shot, but get ready. Don't wanna stop, but get ready. I'ma do my thing, you get ready. Everybody watch. Better believe in me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturally here, and y'all, we are now at 500K. I cannot believe it, y'all. When I look at my channel name on YouTube, seeing that number beside my name is so surreal because I never expected to even get to 500K, but that's a whole other video. I'm actually planning to do a video, hopefully sometime this week, talking about my journey from quitting teaching to now being a full-time content creator. And getting this far on YouTube was never the goal, which is like crazy. It's nobody but God. But thanks to all of you guys who continue to support me, who've been there since the beginning. I see tons of comments like, girl, I remember when you were at 39K and now you're at 500K. Wow, y'all, just wow. I am so grateful, but I'm hoping to do a video on that later this week. I saw a comment with someone who specifically asked that I talk about my journey from teaching to now being at 500K on YouTube. I'm also going to be doing a giveaway in that video, so stay tuned. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that button. Yeah, so I'm going to try to do that video for you guys later on, but today's video is a natural hair wig video. Y'all know I love those. Those are my favorite wig videos to do, and this one is by a brand that I've talked about so much on my channel, WowAfrican. Many of you all often ask about my favorite hair brands, and this is one of them. I never have to worry about doing any work with their wigs. They are so easy to install. The hairline, knots being bleached, everything is usually on point. So I'm excited about this one. And I believe WowAfrican is also having a sale currently. I believe it started on the 12th and it ends on the 26th. So y'all want to definitely go and check it out. And I love that it comes in this really nice satin bag. You all always ask me how I store my wigs, and these bags actually come in handy. I put my wigs back inside these satin bags, and then I put them in a cube organizer that I've shared in my apartment tour video. I'll link that down below for you guys so that you can see how I store all of them. But it also comes with a stocking cap. I'm not sure if I'll use that one or not, but right now my hair is just braided. I actually went to the salon and did an undercare appointment, and this is how they braided my hair. Of course, they would have done it in cornrows, but I asked that they not do that because this is essentially how I prep my natural hair under my wigs. Now, of course, it doesn't look this neat, but y'all, it's always a pleasure having somebody else wash and condition your hair. Y'all don't understand. I was in that chair just in bliss. I loved every moment of it. If you all didn't see my silk press video, then go check it out. I went to the same salon, and my last video, y'all need to for sure check out as well. My husband is washing my hair, and y'all, it was so awesome. So check that video out. So this is the unit, y'all. This hair feels so soft. I cannot wait until my hair gets this long. This is actually 18 inches of just straight up goodness. It looks so great. And I love how they do their kinky straight texture because it mimics our natural hair so well. My hair in the blowout state would look like this. Now this length, this is the goal. This is the goal, y'all. So this is what the lace looks like up close. This is HD lace, and I like working with HD lace because it's gonna look so much more realistic than your regular lace. And it does have 6 inches of parting space, but I'll show you guys that in a moment. And the hairline. They always pluck the hairline so well. And this one comes with an elastic band. And what I like about their elastic bands is that not only are they thick, but you can decide to detach it if you'd like to. But I always keep these on because I like the option to have added security. Another cool thing is that you can adjust it so that it's tighter. It also comes with combs on the inside, so those are always handy. So y'all already know what I'm ready to do. I'm gonna try this unit on. Now I'm gonna try it on with a stocking cap that I've already worn previously. I feel like this one is just such a great color. I don't even know where I got it from, but I wish I could find a pack of these. All right, now that we have our stocking cap on, I'm gonna try the unit on. Okay, I'm trying to adjust my braids so they're a little flatter at the top. I should probably put the braids in a ponytail. just to help flatten them out some more.
Yeah. It's just a drive. You know what it is. Yeah.
Oh, that looks so good. All right, look how great that looks already, y'all.
Hey, I've been up since I don't know where.
I often get the question about whether the unit that I'm trying on is big head friendly, and I feel like this one is. This is an average cap size, and I still have some room in it, so that's really great. Look how amazing this hairline looks. Now, y'all know I have a low hairline, so I always have my edges a little bit exposed right here, or I have to pull the unit further in order to have more coverage. So that is something that's an option for me, but I don't know if I'm gonna decide to just have my edges out because this texture matches my hair so well, or if I'm actually just gonna pull it up when I install it. But we'll play around with it. All right, so right now I'm gonna take the unit off. I'm gonna tint the lace and also cut the excess lace in the front and then begin installing the unit.
Okay, step back, here comes the queen. I'm in charge, don't mess with me. I wear the crown, so kiss the ring. Hallelujah, keep praising me. Tell me now, who's the boss? I got this thing on lock. Everybody can't get enough. Slap that bass and funk me up. I'm so lit, I feel like fire. I'ma come and take it high. You've been waiting for this. Tell me I'm the queen. All eyes on me when I'm on the scene. Just watch me now.
All right, now that I've cut the lace off, we're gonna see what it looks like glueless. And then I'm going to decide if I'm going to actually use a form of adhesive. Y'all know the bed head has been my go-to lately. I kind of don't want to put anything on my edges, but I may decide to. Oh, let me adjust the elastic band because it didn't feel that tight on the third class. So I'm going to put it on the first one.
Yeah. You don't need no filters. You my rocket, you my perfect picture. Baby, you know I'm tryna kick it with you.
You can see that band some, but I don't know if I want to cut it. I might just put some concealer at the start of the hairline, just so it kind of blends out a little more. I might just wear it like this, y'all. Look at that. That's my natural hairline. Yeah, I'm really debating if I want to actually use adhesive. Like, this is a really great unit for installing glueless. Now, I will be honest, this elastic band in the back, I believe the placement could have been a little better because the unit does feel snug on my head, but it's not as snug as I would have liked. And there's still a good amount of space back here. So I'm gonna insert the combs in the back, but this is definitely big head friendly. Now, y'all know I'm on a hair growth journey. And wigs have been my go-to protective style in order to give my hair a break. And my stylist that I went to yesterday actually told me that I'm doing a very good job. And wearing your wigs glueless is such a good idea. So not only are you giving your hair in the back a break, but your edges are also getting a break. And I don't have any gel or anything on my edges. Now, if I do put something on them for this install, I think I might just use jam. But I don't even think I need that because I feel like they blend really well. Like if the wind were to blow, if you see this part of my hairline, of course I'm gonna comb it so it looks better, but if you were to see this part of my hairline, it looks like it could be the unit. And I could actually pull it behind my ear, and I feel like that looks natural. So I think what I'm just gonna do for this one is just straighten her out a little bit because there are some crimps from the packaging. But I don't think I'm actually gonna glue this one down. I feel like the unit, if it does slide because of the way this hairline is structured, like it's still gonna look natural. It's not gonna slide that much to, now if it slides and it's like here, then you just look stupid. But I feel like where it's positioned and everything, it looks great. See, that's what I love about WowAfrican units, that they look so good. Look, and I can even do a little pin back, and that's literally no adhesive at all. So I'm going to start with my flat iron and see how well it will flatten out this area here. If it doesn't do the trick, then I'm going to grab my hot comb.
Ain't gotta wait till it gets dark. We get 106 and Park. You be my rock, I be your big tigger. I'm tryna show you off, I'm tryna flaunt you. I'm obsessed with you, baby, I want you. Let them watch it, tell them they can tune in. Show them how I put our love on a billboard. So you just need to look out your window. Show the whole city.
Y'all, this texture looks so good right out of the package, but once you flat iron it, it looks even better.
Yours, let me put us on display. Yeah, I'll shout it from the rooftops. I gotta jump out of a window if you call me. Yeah, touch your name on my neck, I promise. Girl, I swear I'm obsessed. Whatever you want, girl. It's no problem.
And I like that with this hair, when I flat iron, I can do medium to large sections. I don't have to do super small sections.
Yeah, your love's my drug and I'm obsessed with you. Yeah, I put our love on a billboard. So you just need to look out your window. Show the whole city I'm all yours. Let me put us on display. Hey.
Now that I finished flat ironing the hair and it looks so good, what I think I'm going to do is only put adhesive on this little area right here. So I'm going to use my bedhead spray and I'm going to spray that right under this little area of the lace, like that small portion. Let me get in closer. So I'm just going to put a little bit of the bedhead spray just in this area right here. And this is not on my edges at all. It's just on my forehead. So I think that would be a good option.
Show it off, every curve, every part, yeah. Cause I'm strong and I love the skin I'm in. Every shape, every inch, no doubt there's power deep within, yeah. Beauty ain't a color, ain't a number, ain't an age, nah. Beauty comes in every size and every shade, yeah.
Alright, so now that we've done that, I do want to widen the part more. Will give it the appearance that it's wider. So I'm going to do that by adding some concealer. And I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. And I think that will do it. Alright, so now I'm going to go change my top so that you all can see the final look. And I think it's going to look so fabulous. Alright y'all, so these are the finished results and it looks so great. Y'all let me know down in the comment section what you all think about this unit. It's so bomb. If you're somebody who's looking for a kinky straight unit, I'd highly recommend this one. Look at this movement, y'all. This hair is goals. One day I really hope that my hair gets this full, this long. It looks so good. This unit was super easy to install and it looks like me, y'all. It looks like my hair. So right now I'm going to show you guys what the unit looks like with both sides behind my ear, and then I'm going to show you guys a side part. But I hope that you guys thoroughly enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all, let's get to 1 million. I love you guys. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, all of my social media platforms. Check the description for all the links and specifications for this unit, along with the discount code and any sale details. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.
Best day ever.
Welcome to the highlight. Jump right in and show you outside. Right now we're gonna live it up. Don't stop till you get enough. Feel it, work it, move it. This is how we do it. Live it, breathe it, lose it. Best day ever. going yacht.